going to make a new wolf, and we're gonna hunt and do some fun of that jazz and stuff. But today we are not going to be finding a mate. That will be in the next video or next couple videos. After we find a mate, we will be building a bond with this mate. And then in a couple months, when the Sloth Creek episode is released, or when the pups come out, we will take the wolf and we'll put them in the Sloth Creek episode, and we'll play there. As you can tell, this is the wolf that we were playing with yesterday. And we're gonna go to my wolves, and we're gonna click create new. We're gonna have a boy. We're gonna go just run through the coats real quick. Want a boy, like, nice coat. I don't know. I like this quite a bit. I'm not gonna lie. They have all these like scarred coats. Right here you can see the owie, and then like there. Oh, right there. That's so sad. We'll just go through. That was. We're just gonna. This one's nice. We'll do this one. Actually, this is pretty cool. We're gonna do this one. Okay, go to the eye color. Is our wolf right now? I liked the color that was before, but let's have it like this green color. Yeah, we'll do that. Howls. I like that. It's like a bold kind of howl. Want a bold one here. No. I don't know. No. You know, we'll just do it. I like his ears, but I'm gonna make them torn and notched. Give him more of a, his beat up kind of look. Unless he'll be way fluffed. Yeah. Body mass, he's pretty. No. It's pretty neck fluff. I like this fluffy neck. We're giving back curve because I don't like when the backs are just like that. So less like that. No tail mange. This is stats. A new stats system is coming soon. We're gonna go here. He was banned. He was abused and got put out on the streets until animal control came and took him to Yellowstone. Okay, everybody, he's gonna be a very cautious wolf. He's not very social. He's gonna be very energetic and jumpy. Like there. Okay, we're gonna name him how about how about Eclipse? Or, ooh, Arid, no. Red Moon. Okay, we'll do it. He disappeared. Okay, so here's Red Moon. He's very gorgeous. Okay, learn to hunt. How to play. Okay. Here we are. Oh, this is great, guys. So pretty. I mean, you can make it prettier, but I just have it on the fastest mode because my computer can't really take anything else. But it's okay. We're gonna find some elk. I hear them. Can you hear them? I see something down there moving, but there's not many of them. I think they're up there. We're gonna go up here. I know I can press V to view scent mode, but it's funner. It makes the game more realistic when you don't have to, you know, press V. It just makes the game more realistic and funner. But it does make the game quite a bit harder. If there's a but maybe we should just for a quick. Yeah, they are. Let's say are this way. Quick minute. Sorry if you hear that. My dog is laying under the computer desk. She's kind of making quite a bit of noise, but you know, we all love her. And I'm sorry about the glitching. We just entered a territory. Oh, look. Do you see them right there? They're right there in the distance. Don't know if you can see them, but they're like right there. Okay. So we're gonna shift W. Oh wait, no, not W. What is it? Control Shift. 1 second. Let me go here. You know what? Never mind. We got this. We're just gonna hunt. No. Control. Aha! Here it is. I don't know what happened there. I'm sorry. I don't know what's happening. We're gonna shift, and we're gonna mean business. Let's get this one. Okay, come on. Bite it. You got it. Oh, good girl. I mean, boy. Oh my gosh, sorry. The last game I was playing was a girl, so it's hard to switch off. You know, it's okay. This is gonna be the moon pack. Red moon pack. And next time, there'll be a new pack. There'll be no, yeah, whatever. But then we'll always get back to the ones that we had before, like Red Moon. Okay. And I'll always play a different wolf when I'm not videoing. Just BT dubs. Oh my gosh. Whoa, we killed her! They're over there right now. The rest of the herd is over there. You can see one of them running that way. Oh, we get food. I'm so sorry, my dogs are barking. Oh my gosh, just calm down. Hey, calm down, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video here. Okay, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Hopefully we can get up to like 100 subscribers. That'll be great. Playing this game with him and lots of other wolves. So remember, like, subscribe, comment down below. I love you guys, and 1 second, let me save the game. I love you guys so much, and bye. Let's show Queen recording. Yeah. Okay, now please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.